You will smile, you will dream, you will learn, follow me to a world full of light, full of colors so bright. Oh, Beadies fall and Beadies fly, the Beadies bring the world to life. You can run, you can play, you will learn from the page. There are songs we can sing that will solve anything. Oh, Beadies fall and Beadies fly, the Beadies bring the world to life. It's Beadies time! Portrait. Open up the book to the yellow page. It is very yellow in every way. It has yellow flowers and yellow rays that lead to the sun shining here today. Yellow rays of the clouds, they're not afraid. Yellow here, yellow there. There is yellow everywhere. Cheep walks on the path on the yellow sand. He shows us his yellow feathers and hands. Look what comes along, it's the yellow bees. They have brought along honey for the tea. Yellow bees, yellow bees. They paint flowers with honey. All the bees and our Cheep, they are yellow, yes indeed. Hello, Cheep. Look what I have. It's your portrait.
Hey there, friends. Yes, my name is Cheep. I'm yellow and I'm pretty sweet. My head, tails, wings, feathers, and my feet are yellow, like the sun or bee. Beep, beep, beep. Yes, my name is Cheep. I will dance and you will repeat. Beep, beep, beep. Yes, my name is Cheep. Say hello to the sun with me.
Cheep, why don't we make portraits for our friends, too?
Look, here comes our Wolfy now. We'll make him, I'll show you how. Blue, blue collar, I can't wait. Wolfy's portrait is so great. Whose portrait is this? It's Wolfy's!
My portrait, it's so neat. Thank you for my portrait, Cheep.
Time to make one for Hoppy. Sit down here and follow me. White, white collar, I can't wait. Hoppy's portrait is so great. Whose portrait is this? It's Hoppy's.
My portrait, it's so nice. Thanks to you, my portrait's white.
Foxtail wants her portrait too. I will show you what to do. Red, red collar, I can't wait. Foxtail's portrait is so great. Whose portrait is this? It's Foxtail's. My portrait is so red. I like my portrait the best. Meowser would like one for him. Beadies, help as we begin. Green, green collar, I can't wait. Meowser's portrait is so great. Whose portrait is this? It's Meowser's.
Everyone is happy. Now they have their own portrait. But it's very messy around the cupboard. We should clean it up. Gather round, everyone. Now we've played and had some fun. There's one thing that we must do. It's a job for me and you. Put away all the toys we used to play. Put away all your lovely toys today. Now that we've put our toys away, we can go to sleep peacefully. Now the crib is waiting just for you. You must go to sleep, I'll help you too. I will put you in the crib, my Cheep, and I'll sing a song to help you sleep. Ah, peep, 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 sleep, sleep, sleep. Under bright stars you'll dream. Fall asleep right away. Tomorrow is a new day. grow faster when you are asleep. You'll be taller tomorrow, you'll see. Mom sees you grow every day and night. She will always be here by your side. Ah, peep, 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 sleep, sleep, sleep. Stars will light up all your dreams. Fall asleep right away. Tomorrow is a new day. Even if things haven't gone your way, it doesn't mean you've had a bad day. Mom will come along to make you smile. She will hold you tightly for a while. Ah, peep, 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 sleep, sleep, sleep. Stars are all around you, see. Throw all your cares away. Tomorrow is a new day.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited.